Well, you know, they're trying to push everyone to be getting these electric cars, even though they do not have the infrastructure to make that happen. They're not talking about the prices of the batteries, which are $20,000 plus or more to replace them. Now, I want you to watch this experience this man is having with his electric car. Let's go ahead and roll that.
All right, so my piece of trash Tesla completely died. And because it died, it's got no battery. Because it's got no batteries and everything's completely dead. This is the complete battery, everything's done. I had to buy a new battery pack, cost like 26 grand. I'm not buying that. I'm not giving them another dime. But you see here, it's raining, it's dead. I can't access the inside, so I got to see if I could take apart the cone. I got someone willing to pay 20 grand. I can't even access the damn ownership. This is 2022, people. This is what the future looks like. A brand new electric vehicle, you can't even access the damn thing because they didn't think about how to do it. Worst off, they made it so the air conditioning condenser unit dumps all the water on top of the battery, so my battery is full of water, which is why it needs a new one. And now they're saying it's not covered under warranty, even though it started happening during the warranty period. This is why you should never buy a Tesla, people. Thing's complete trash. Stay away from it. Here I am, working like an animal, trying to get the ownership out of the car, and I can't even get that. So, wish me luck. I'll post up another video and see if I make it.
There is no way in God's green earth that I'm going to sit up here and buy an electric car. Neither do I advocate anyone that watch me to go buy an electric car. Because as I stated before, they don't have the infrastructure for it to be charging it. That's number one. Number two, if you live, let's say, in a hurricane zone and all the lights are out because of a hurricane that happened, how are you going to charge that vehicle to leave? When you live in areas like, let's say, the South, where you have extreme heat at times, extreme heat drains a battery. It happens. If you live in an area where it has extreme cold drains a battery. The life of it isn't the same. There's no way that I will get an electric car. I will always have something. It's going to be gas powered or diesel powered. Let me tell you something. Oil comes from the earth. God gave us crude oil. Crude oil makes many, many different products. You get your gasoline from crude. You get your diesel from crude. You get your kerosene from crude. You can get your naphtha. You can get your ethanol. Well, you can help. Definitely part of that comes from corn too. But you can get all these different, products out of crude oil. Crude oil is something that's very, very important. And there's no way. Listen, you go pull up to the gasoline station. Will take you what? A couple of minutes. You're done. You go on by your business. You have to sit there at the places to charge their electric vehicle on a fast charge. It takes an hour. Who has a whole hour out their day to go play around with an electric vehicle to sit there to charge that thing up? Versus you go into the gasoline station, paying your money, 1-2 minutes, 3 at the most, and you filled up. No, ladies and gentlemen, I don't support that. Then you heard the man say with the Tesla, the air conditioner unit dumps all the water over the battery. So now the battery is gone and the battery costs almost just as much as the car. And they don't want to cover it. Man, y'all be silly. Y'all don't you let these Democrats and Joe Biden go tell you to go buy an electric car. Every time I'm looking up, these electric cars are having to be picked up with wreckers because they run out of charge. People can't get them charged when they need to, and then problems like this. Nah, I'm good. Y'all can keep y'all electric cars. I don't need it. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this. And any of you own an electric car, you had any issue with it, let us know.